What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pangea, back in the place to be. Just wanted to give y'all a quick recipe real quick. This is one of my go-to recipes whenever I want something sweet, craving some cookies, but I don't want to go out and buy some. Quick little recipe, very easy, simple ingredients. If you notice, all the ingredients is basically just healthy versions of all the bad ones, I guess. So yeah, let's just get right into it. All right, guys. So first, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Here's a list of all the ingredients. I'll put all of those in the description below along with the macros. Gotta have you a food scale. It's essential for this recipe. Also want to get you a nice big bowl. Doesn't really matter what kind of bowl, as long as it's a big bowl, you can mix it in. Then you want to get you about 112 grams of light butter. I like this butter because it's like half the calories of regular butter and still doesn't have too much cholesterol or sodium in it. Make sure you cover that bad boy up, and then you're gonna probably melt it for like 12 to 15 seconds depending on your microwave. I usually do 12 because I have a pretty strong microwave. And then once that's done, we're gonna dump that in a bowl like so. Then we're gonna put about 192 grams of brown sugar in there. I'm gonna mix that bad boy up, and this is what it should look like. That's the consistency. So then you want to put about a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract in there. Just another good flavoring tool for it. Mix that bad boy in there. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna use one egg. Doesn't really matter what kind of egg. I use one large egg, and then crack that in there and mix that around as well. After that, you're gonna get whey protein. You got two options here. You can either do 78 grams of whey protein powder. You're gonna see it here in a second. You can also use 12 grams of peanut butter powder, or you can just do 90 grams of just straight up protein powder. Put as much salt as you want in there. I just put about a half a teaspoon in there just to kind of give it a little more flavor at the end. Then you're gonna put the most important ingredient, which is oatmeal. You're gonna use about 3/4 of a cup, or about 120 grams of that. And this is optional, but I'm gonna use this because I love chocolate chips, especially dark chocolate chips. 60% cocoa, only 80 calories per serving. I'm gonna use 3 servings, which is about 45 grams. Don't forget your baking soda. You need about 1/4 teaspoon of that. But what I like to do is I like to put about 2/3 of those chocolate chips, or about 30 grams, in there to mix it up. And then once I dump the cookies on the tray, then I like to put the chocolate chips on top, the rest of the chocolate chips on top of that. So it usually works pretty well for me. So get you a pan, spray it down with some non-sticks oil, or just rub a little bit of oil, olive oil on it. It doesn't really matter. And then this is when your oven should be preheated at this point. Put that in there. I had to make another batch of cookies because I had way too many, so you're gonna see here in a second. After I set my timer to about 12 minutes, yeah, usually 10 to 12 minutes works. And then, yeah, as you can see, I put 2 trays in there because there was a lot of cookies. I had to do this a trial run a couple times because it was kind of tough getting the consistency right. So that's why you see 2 trays here. And there you have it. You want to let it cool down for about 10 minutes, and that's how they look. Pretty amazing, really good protein in each cookie. As you can see, it makes about 17. You can probably stretch it out to 18 cookies if you want. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you soon.